Hey guys, this is my 2008 F-150 with 300,000 miles. Let's talk about it. So as I mentioned, this truck has 300,000 miles. Just rolled over last night, and the way I celebrated was I did a little burnout, so, you know. 300, baby. 300. Let's go. Big old cloud of smoke. Woo! I mean, it runs great. It's a great driving truck. People are like, the 5.4 is going to blow up. The 5.4 is terrible. It's a fine motor if you take care of it. And that's what I do with this truck. I change the oil every 3,000 miles. I was changing it every 5,000 miles, but I decided, more frequently won't hurt. So every 3,000 miles oil change. I mean, this thing, it doesn't make any valve noise. It doesn't rattle. It doesn't tick. It just goes. And I mean, none of the problems that people say the 5.4s have. So I have put two transmissions in this truck, though. I put one in at about 170, and I put the second one in at about 280. So I mean, that's just transmission stuff. I don't know. You tell me if that's too crazy or not, but I mean, this truck pulls. I mean, I pulled boats and trailers and stuff like that. I mean, I drive it hard, right? So I think that's also part of the reason why the motor in this truck runs so good, is because, I mean, I rev it up to, 4 or 5 grand almost every time I drive it. And I think that, keeps the carbon out of the motor and all that. I mean, it runs great. I think that's part of the reason it runs great, is because I drive it hard. Not great on the tranny, but great on the motor. And I'd rather replace a tranny every 5 years than a motor once. So anyways, I mean, this is a good little truck. I mean, it's, leather seats, it's lariat, power windows, all that stuff. I mean, it's basically everything you get in a new truck minus CarPlay, which I can put that in, and a sunroof. I wish I had a sunroof, but I do have this nifty little thing where I can keep all my junk. I stuff it up in there and it works out great. But anybody who's thinking about buying one of these things, the things you really want to look for are, just transmission related stuff like normal, typical oil leaks and whatnot. Just, power. There's a power steering line in the front that does leak, and it's not that difficult to replace. That's just something to be aware of. And I mean, just little switches and stuff like that. I mean, they're great trucks, so. But this truck has been so good to me. I mean, we take it all over the place, all over the South, all over the country, and it just goes. Gets about 15 miles a gallon on the highway, which is just fine with me. I don't really care. I have actually almost totaled this truck 3 times, and I don't know if, it's a testament to how easy this thing is to fix, but I'll show you some pictures of that, of my wrecks. But I mean, this thing has gone through it, and just a stout old truck. I mean, I don't think you can get much better than this. Pop this. So I got my cold air intake. I've had this on for years and years, and it's been great. I mean, it makes it sound a little better, makes it get a little better fuel mileage. Got some wheel spacers on there. I've had 0 problems with the hubs. I mean, I've abused this truck, and it has been very, very stout. I mean, I take care of it. That's all you really got to do on these, is just take care of them. Change your oil, fix things when they break, and make sure you're not running it out of coolant. Not that they have coolant problems, but if you get a little leak in a hose, just fix it. I mean, That's all you gotta do. I got some wheels off of 2018 and they look pretty good. Got some straight pipes on there. It sounds awesome. But I mean, this truck, just as good as any of them. And people are afraid of these things because of the 5.4. But I say the 5.4 is a great motor as long as it's been maintained. So if you're looking to buy one of these things, just make sure that 5.4 has been taken care of. You don't want any ticks, any knocks, any rattles. If it cranks up and sounds good, that's all you need. And that's what you want it to sound like right there. If it sounds like that, you're doing pretty good. So, anyways, this is my truck. 5.4, 300,000 miles, 2 transmissions, 0 motors, 3 almost totaled wrecks, and she looks just as good as new. So I think this is just a testament to maintenance, really. So I'll give it a little rev in here so you can hear it. Zero rattles, 0 ticks. Just sounds good as new. But y'all just shoot me a comment if you have any questions. I'll be responding to comments on this. And yeah, like, share, subscribe, man. And as always, keep wrenching, keep it wide open.